Top 4 Game-Changing Tech Trends of 2023. As we look back on the history of technology, it's clear that each year brings new and exciting advancements that change the course of our society. From the first computers to the rise of social media, technology has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate with one another. From the earliest days of technology, we've seen a trend towards greater interconnectivity and integration. The first computers were isolated and bulky, but as they evolved, they became more streamlined and interconnected. The rise of the internet brought people together like never before, and the advent of social media made the world a smaller place. In the years that followed, technology continued to advance at an incredible pace. The rise of smartphones and mobile technology in the early 2000s brought the power of the internet to our fingertips, making it easier than ever to stay connected and access information on the go. The advent of cloud computing in the late 2000s changed the way we store and access data, allowing us to access our files from anywhere in the world. And the proliferation of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram transformed the way we communicate and share information with one another. As we move into the present day, the tech trends of 2023 are beginning to take shape. We're seeing a continued emphasis on interconnectivity and integration, as the Internet of Things becomes increasingly prevalent in our homes and workplaces. So here is tech trends and predictions that will shape 2023. Trend number 1. Security. Future-proofing digital security in the face of increasing threats. As businesses face increasingly sophisticated digital threats, they need to invest in risk management and business innovation capabilities. The focus on digital security will broaden to include applications, dependencies, and shadow IT, with the risk of exposure for businesses increasing due to unvetted development projects. To protect modern cloud-native applications, developers will use tools that help them manage and secure distributed application architectures to deliver secure digital experiences. These tools will also allow for seamless collaboration between developers, site reliability engineers, and security experts. Quantum cryptography will be a critical component of digital security in 2023. Quantum key distribution provides a highly secure alternative to traditional key distribution, which is vulnerable to harvesting and decryption. As a result, we will see increased adoption of quantum key distribution in preparation for a post-quantum world. Trend number 2. Enterprise technology. The digital experience of customers is now a key driver of business success. To stay competitive, companies must connect data insights from IT operations to business outcomes. Full-stack observability will help companies quickly respond to issues and optimize business operations in real time. In 2023, the use of traces and OpenTelemetry will become increasingly important for gathering information across domains and developing modern applications. This open-source standard will help IT teams enable observability over the entire IT stack, from infrastructure to applications and the Internet. As edge devices become smarter, edge-native application ecosystems will become more popular. These will include new data management, compliance and security APIs, and AI/ML toolchains. The edge will be operated by horizontal software platforms that can be scaled up or down as needed. Overall, companies that invest in experience economy solutions will be better positioned to deliver actionable business insights and performance, and stay ahead of the curve in a constantly evolving digital landscape. Trend number 3. Smart connectivity and networks. Smart connectivity and networks will be a driving force in the next phase of digital transformation. These technologies can optimize resources and help organizations anticipate and respond to unexpected events, such as global trade issues and workforce changes. In 2023, we will see the deployment of game-changing networking and connectivity solutions that will pave the way for future engineering marvels. Enterprises and logistics providers will increasingly use IoT to improve supply chain visibility, resiliency, and efficiency. Predictive and prescriptive models, such as smart contracts and distributed ledgers, will play a larger role in reconfiguring supply chains for sustainability and circular practices. In 2023, networks will become more experience-centric with predictive technologies that can anticipate and solve end-user experience issues. Predictive networks will learn, predict, and plan through telemetry data gathered from various sources. As deglobalization and issues around data sovereignty continue, companies will shift toward multi-cloud architectures such as sovereign clouds, local zone clouds, and zero-carbon clouds. This will lead to increased complexity in connecting, securing, and observing a multi-cloud environment, but will also create a path for private and edge cloud applications and services. Overall, the new phase of digital transformation will be led by smart connectivity and networks, creating more resilient and sustainable supply chains, predicting and solving end-user issues, and leveraging the benefits of multi-cloud architectures. Trend number 4. Responsible innovation, sustainability, equity, and inclusion. In 2023, technology will be a force for responsible innovation that transforms the world into a better, more inclusive place for everyone. The days of profit at all costs are behind us, and companies must now prioritize trust, sustainability, equity, and inclusion in their operations. The technology trends that will shape 2023 are all about building a future that works for everyone, such as hybrid work, equity, and inclusion. Companies are putting accessibility and universal design at the forefront of their development strategies. Using assistive technologies and AI/ML to create inclusive workplaces that boost productivity and happiness. Sustainability and the journey to net zero. The push towards net zero will drive advancements in code design and hardware, and companies will be more transparent in their hardware reuse practices to promote sustainability. Responsible AI, governments, industry, academia, and NGOs will come together to create a framework for governing AI in an ethical and responsible manner. This framework will ensure that AI is transparent, fair, accountable, secure, and reliable, and that it is used in ways that benefit society as a whole. In 2023, we will witness a transformation in how technology is delivered and consumed. We will see new processes and business models built to create sustainable and inclusive solutions that prioritize people over profits. The future is bright, and the winners will be those with the courage to break down barriers, work together, and create real, lasting change. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you found it informative and interesting. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel for more technology and related content.